In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion habit trackers to build better routines. A Notion habit tracker is a customizable tool you set up inside your Notion workspace to help you build, track, and monitor positive habits. Think of it as a personal command center for your routines. Instead of juggling different apps or sticky notes, you get one organized, personalized space where your habits, progress, and goals live together. The beauty of Notion is flexibility, so you can shape a tracker that fits your life, not the other way around. Customization is the first big advantage. You can create habit lists for daily, weekly, or monthly routines and tailor each item to your specific schedule and goals. If mornings are your power window, group your morning habits together. If you prefer themes, split your tracker into categories like health, learning, and personal. The more it reflects your real life, the easier it is to stick with. Visual progress is what keeps you motivated. Many templates use check marks, progress bars, or even progress rings so you can see your consistency at a glance. That quick visual feedback turns a long-term goal into bite-sized wins you can celebrate daily. Over time, those visuals show trends, helping you notice what's working and what needs a tweak. Accountability comes built in. By recording your actions each day, you create a clear, honest record of your efforts. Seeing a streak grow is powerful, and seeing gaps can be just as helpful. It nudges you to recommit without judgment, because the data is there to guide you. Automation makes tracking fast and repeatable. Some templates include buttons or checkboxes that update your progress with a single click. That tiny bit of friction removed can be the difference between tracking consistently and skipping it altogether. Organization ties it all together. You can connect your habit tracker to a personal dashboard, so your habits sit alongside your goals, notes, and calendar. Having everything in one place gives you a more holistic view, making it easier to prioritize and plan. If you're starting from scratch, templates on the Notion Marketplace are a great shortcut. You'll find both free and paid options that include the elements we've discussed. Pick one that matches your style, personalize the habits and timeframes, and you're ready to go. A few quick tips to stay consistent. Start with a small set of habits, make your tracker easy to access, and review your progress weekly. With a setup that fits you, Notion can be the simplest way to turn good intentions into daily action.